We are always looking for alternatives that are all natural. We always want over-the-counter prescription medication. It seems we found one in the olive oil and lemon juice. These are not used to cure major diseases, but they can prevent problematic symptoms and complications to some extent. Below we have discussed the benefits. Detox the body. Olive oil and lemon juice, both are substances that are known to detoxify the body. They can help in removing harmful toxins out of the body. It can also help in cleaning the gallbladder and liver and also protect them from damaging particles. Relieve constipation. Both of these are natural laxatives and they can help the bowel movements and make them comfortable. Lemon juice is an anti-inflammatory and reduces any swelling in the intestine and the abdominal walls. Lemon juice and olive oil do the wonders for your bowels moving, relieve painful gases, and reduce abdominal stress. Benefits the hair, skin, and nails. The mixture of olive oil and lemon juice helps in keeping the nails moist and strong. This mixture can be directly added to your cuticles to keep them healthy and reduces the chances to grow a hangnail. The lemon juice also fights the germs and cleans the skin. It reduces the scalp of dandruff. Cholesterol. This amazing mixture can bring down the levels of bad cholesterol by simultaneously increasing the levels of good cholesterol. This also helps in smooth movements of joints and minimizes the stress on joints and bones. Helps in circulation. Olive oil helps in improving the circulation of blood throughout your body and prevents a blood clot from forming. Along with consuming the olive oil and lemon juice mixture, you can also apply it directly to your skin to reduce the appearance of varicose veins. Fights abdominal fat. This mixture can help you easily lose abdominal fat when you will consume the mixture. The food you will eat after that will be digested faster, increasing and improving the metabolism. It also digests the fat in a better and more beneficial way. The mixture of olive oil and lemon juice contains the fatty acid that is important for your body to burn water weight and burn fat in the stomach. Helps in blood pressure. Consuming this mixture in breakfast will make sure that your blood pressure stays stable and does not spike up. This is because this mixture helps the body in fighting against harmful toxins and comes along with thousands of beneficial minerals. Ingredients required. Half tablespoon of olive oil. Half tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Steps to prepare. Take both fresh lemon juice and olive oil and mix these ingredients properly. Now consume this mixture just before breakfast. You should consume this mixture twice or thrice a week for the best positive results.